Area of a sector and segment of a circle. The arc of a circle is a part of the circumference of the circle. The circular region surrounded by two radii and the corresponding arc is called the sector of a circle. The angle created at the center of the circle by the corresponding arc of the sector is called the angle of the sector. Area of a circle is equal to pi r square. Area of a sector of 1 degree angle at the center is equal to 1 upon 360 degree into pi r square. Area of the sector with angle theta is equal to theta upon 360 degrees into pi r square. Length of the corresponding arc of a sector of angle theta is equal to theta upon 360 degree into 2 pi r. The circular region surrounded by a chord and the corresponding arc is called the segment of the circle. The area of a segment APB is equal to area of segment OAPB minus area of triangle OAB. Theta upon 360 degree into pi r square minus area of triangle OAB. Example: find the area of sector ABC of a circle having radius 12 cm and 45 degree angle at the center. Also, find the area of the remaining portion. Use of pi is equal to 3.14. Solution: area of the sector ABC is equal to theta upon 360 degree into pi r square is equal to 45 upon 360 into pi 12 whole square is equal to 1 upon 8 into pi into 12 square is equal to 18 pi is equal to 56.52. Area of the sector is equal to 56.52 square units. Area of major sector ACB is equal to pi r square minus 18 pi is equal to pi 12 whole square minus 18 pi is equal to 126 pi is equal to 395.64.